Does your nose ever sting sometimes? Look at me. I look like Lucy from Love Island. I really like Tommy. I really like Tommy. But like Joe. Like I really like Joe. Like
This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel after 500 years being abroad. Guys, it has been 1 year to date, exactly today, since I posted my first little YouTube video. It was my 5-minute everyday makeup routine. Obviously it was a whole half an hour, so not so much 5 minutes, but this video I try to be more concise and show you guys more or less the time I take to actually do my makeup in the morning. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my winter updated everyday makeup routine. It's this look that you are seeing right here. I just popped on the hat because it looks very wintry, it looks very autumnal, it looks like I tried this morning, which is debatable. But if you would like to see how my makeup skills have improved over the year, if they have improved at all, well, I think I look better than I did last year. My skin, she's thriving, my hair is cut. It's very sad. I got lots of complaints, got lots of compliments, so thank you, friends. But if you want to see how I did this look, the same video but a year later, then please keep on watching the video. My skin has improved 200% since the last time we did this video. There's just scarring left over, but I don't have any active acne at the moment. Whoa, Jesus, touch wood. So that's flippin' exciting. So I need to use as full coverage foundation and heavy layer foundation as I would have used a year ago. So this is why we need a little bit of an update, a little bit of a refresher, and here it is. Refresher, and here it is. So to get into today's makeup winter everyday look that will grace the space shortly, I'm going to be picking up my LA Gold Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. So I'm just going to be putting this over where I have those acne scars just to neutralize them. But it's just like made it a bit of a more even base so that when I apply this bad boy, all is well. The reason I am using BB cream because it is winter time and my skin is nogal dry, quite dry at this time, and I usually actually use this summer because my skin is also doing amazing, sweetie. And this just is very moisturizing and just vibe. So in summer I really need to set this with a lot of powder, but in winter I find I don't need to do that because the air is dry already. I know, whatever, like I know like summer like dries the air, but I mean that there's like, it's like taking the hydration out of my skin. I don't actually know what I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying, the point I'm trying to get across is that I don't need to set this with powder during winter as much as I need to set it during summer. This is the Garnier Skin Active BB Cream. This, an issue, it comes only in 3 shades, light, medium, and dark.
Disgusting!
So I'm literally just gonna dot this as I would foundation all over my face. Okay, when you look as beautiful as this, you can blend it out. Okay, so as you can see, I'm literally glowing. Like the amount of moisture that this has in it, and look at this cheek, like all that discoloration is gone, or practically gone. I mean, it's BB cream, and it just looks like I have a little fresh dewy face on, which is super nice. In summer it looks like you're sweating, in winter it looks like you're glowing, you're moisturized, you're ready to go, ready to look good. So what I did was I just put it all the way up underneath my eyes because I don't have very bad dark circles or anything, and I just put it as a layer over my eyes as well. So I literally just put this everywhere, and it just looks very, very nice, natural, pretty. And I'm just gonna pick up these little, well, a lot of bronzers with a brush looks like this. Obviously it's a blue brush, so, and this brush is crusty, but whatever. And I'm just gonna place it quite high up over here to draw in a new cheekbone. I'm still going to be using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown, the dark shade over here. I'm not going to draw on my eyebrows too hectically. What I like to do is, if foundation got on the eyebrow section, or my BB cream rather, I just wipe it off on my brows, which also like creates a little bit of a highlight because you're taking away some product around. And then I'm just going to lightly fill them in. As you can tell, I have quite thick eyebrows already, so I really don't need to do a lot. I don't really use a spoolie either for this because I'm like quite in a rush in the morning, because I get up about 10 minutes before I have to go to class. Jokes, I don't do that. But I just fill them in ever so slightly. Sorry, I don't know how long my dogs have been going on for, but the children are back at school today. It's break time. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow section. So as last year, all I'm going to do is pick up this bronzer shade and place them in the crease. So for the next part of the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this liquid eyeshadow by Wet n Wild. It's called Liquid Catsuit, and this is in the shade Shells and Whistles. So I'm just going to be picking up a little bit. It comes on a little applicator like this. And I'm going to be doing one little sweep across the lash line until I get to where about my pupil is. So just like this. Like that. Look up. Just to see where you should blend it up until. Same on the other side. So just like that, and then I'm just going to be placing a little bit in between the gap, that looking up made, just like this. And then I'm just going to be taking my finger and blending it out because it's a bit too harsh if I leave it, but if I blend it out, it is perfect. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down some. The next step is going to be applying some mascara. So for a more natural, more individual lash is lifted and looking good look, I've been using the Essence Lash Princess, the purple one, and this comes, the wand is quite nice. It is curved, and I use this curve. I don't use it this way around like a smiley face. I use the sad face way, and I just put that on my top lashes. and you can already see a huge difference in this eye with the lashes and this eye that doesn't have mascara yet. So I'll just be doing the same on the other side. Right, for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Switch Beauty Glowgasm palette. This is the new one that they just released. It is beautiful. And I'm going to be picking up the shades Lit AF and Creme Brulee. They mixed to form this beautiful champagne gold color and placing that on the very highest point of my cheekbones, down my nose. Yeah, just to brighten the look.
All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
As you can see, it's very glowy, very shiny, and then I'm just going to be picking up my bronzer brush and just going over everything again just to diffuse everything a little bit. And then I've been really into gloss, so instead of my trusty Zambac, which I still use because winter does take it out on my lips, I'm going to be picking up this strawberry lip gloss that looks like something I had when I was in grade 3. I had like 7 of these, but this is just such a nice gloss. It's not sticky, but it just look at it. It's like water. Picked this up from Bling, which is just a little makeup shop, a little bag shop, a little accessory shop in KC and in Maynard Mall. I think this was R5. So Zambac, sweetie, you have competition. And I just love what it does to my lips. I have nothing else on except for this, and it just looks so cute. Alright, and that is the makeup look all complete. Thank you so much for watching. What I usually do in the winter time when I want to be fashionable is just pop on this little paperboy hat, little situation, little cutie, little. Ooh, I tried today. A little. And yeah, just go out looking like this. And this is just a cute little winter / autumn little vibe. I got this hat for 50 Rand from Mr. Price. So it was very worth it. It helps it'll make a little winter style look so cute. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was the best to sit down and film again. I hope this video, when I watch it back, it isn't too cringe and my dogs aren't barking like they are on Dick in the background. But anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, and please share him with your friends, because this is the most cost-effective makeup tutorial you will ever see on YouTube. Don't at me, don't quote me. Anyways, until next time, thank you so much for 1 year on YouTube, even though I posted about 7 videos. I know. But anyways, thanks so much guys. Love you the most. Bye.